To use voice typing on a Google Pixel 11, first we want to go to Settings. Here in Settings, search for System option, and then in System Settings we want to go to Keyboard, then Keyboard Apps, and then Gboard over here because this is the keyboard that we use by default. In here you can find voice typing, so of course we're gonna go over here and you want to make sure that this option is enabled. We have a couple of additional options that you might want to use as well, and it seems that they are enabled already by default, so you probably don't need to make any changes in here. Now you should be able to open the keyboard, and in order to activate the voice typing you need to use this microphone here in the upper right corner of the keyboard. So we can tap over here. And if you do this for the first time, you will need to grant the permission for the keyboard to record audio, so we can choose while using the app. And if needed, of course, grant access to contacts as well. And now, whatever you say out loud, I think it's not actually activated, so let's try again. Now, what you say out loud is going to be converted into a text. And there we go. If you activate it, then you might need to wait a couple of seconds before it starts working, but as you can see, it works very easily, and as you can see, it actually turns off automatically once you end your speech. Of course, you can still re-enable it, and in some cases, it might not turn off automatically, so in case you want to turn it off, just tap on the microphone again. Leave a like and subscribe.